Hello everyone.
Queen Elizabeth II has passed away at the age of 96. For 17 years, she ruled not only the United Kingdom but also 15 Commonwealth nations, including Australia, Canada, and New Zealand. In British history, if anyone has ruled for the longest time, it was Queen Elizabeth II. There are some very important changes in her death that will begin to apply immediately after the Queen Elizabeth II death.
Let's start. If you like a map animated videos related to focus on geography.
If Queen Death was in London, the name of this operation would have been Operation London Bridge. But because Queen Death took place in Scotland, the name of this Operation Unicorn, in which all the event would have been decided in advance. In this event, the first thing to do is to shift the Queen body into London. Now, because Queen Elizabeth was no longer the Queen, her son Prince Charles automatically became the King of Britain in the next second. Although there are countless staff in Buckingham Palace, but after the Queen's death, most of the staff will be sent on holiday. Flag will be waved at the center of the pole. Church will ring bells for 2 days, and the day the Queen funeral will take place, the day will be a public holiday in which all business, banks, and shops will be closed. All social gathering in the place will be cancelled. An official will use a separate dress code for the next few days. Although Prince Charles has now become the king immediately after the Queen's death, but as soon as most of the staff leave Buckingham Palace, the accession council will be held in Sir James Place, in which Prince Charles will be officially declared the king, and he will be also receive an oath. After becoming king, Prince Charles will also have the option to name his change. This is also a kind of rule that applies to the royal family of Britain. The new king can also add his name to his surname. Now Prince Charles' full name is Charles Philip Arthur George. That's why he can also keep his new name as King Philip, King Arthur, and King George. Prince Charles has waited for this throne all his life. He said this is an interview given to the Telegraph in 2012. But he is now 72 years old. If anything happened to him, his son will become the new king of Prince William. When Prince Charles officially becomes king, his wife Prince Camilla will be called Prince, not Queen. Because that what she wants after preparing the coffin, the Queen Elizabeth II, it will be placed in the Westminster Hall in front of the public so that people can respect her after Queen. That morning will celebrate it 10 days before the funeral. This means that if Queen died on September 8, then her funeral will be on September 17, 2022. During this period, the public will be allowed to see the Queen coffin for an hour a day. When Princess Diana passed away, there were more than 10 lakhs bucket outside Buckingham Palace. According to an estimate, people stood in line for 10 hours and waited for their turn. On the day of the funeral at 9 a.m., the Big Ben bell will be rung once, then a leather cover will be placed on the hammer of the bell so that its sound remain loud throughout the day. On this day, from all over the world will be there to attend this funeral. On the 10th day after the funeral, Queen Elizabeth II will be buried in King George VI Memorial Chapel. On this day, the London Stock Exchange will also be closed, due to which the whole of Britain will be at a loss. In 2011, the wedding day of Prince William and Kate Middleton was also a national holiday in which Britain lost about £6 billion. This means that even on the day of Queen funeral, Britain will have to endure almost as such loss after Queen Elizabeth II funeral. There will be a lot of changes in the United Kingdom and Commonwealth countries in which the photo of the Queen printed on British currency will also be changed. All currency cannot be changed overnight, but new notes will start printing from the next day. British national anthem, in which God Save the Queen will be changed to God Save the King from the next day. The police helmets of the whole of Britain will be also be changed because at the present Queen initial are printed on the helmet. They will now be replaced with the initial of King Charles. The British passport in which the crown of the Queen is printed will also be changed and the crown of King Charles will be printed on it. And finally, mailbox which are not used so much in today time, but Queen Elizabeth II is also embossed on it. Although mailbox will also be changed. After the Queen death, all these changes that are just learned. It will not take much time because most of its preparation was already planned while the Queen was alive. I hope you will like and share these videos or focus on. Thank you very much for your loving comments.
See you in the next video with another interesting topic. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.